Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to discuss the class 12 CBSE physics minimum level of learning to get 60% of marks. Okay, from the first chapter, we need to do the following topics: quantization of charge, Coulomb's law in vector form only, electric flux, dipole moment, Gauss law, and important derivations: electric field on axial line and equatorial line, torque on an electric dipole, and all the three applications of Gauss theorem. Okay, and the following diagrams from your NCERT book. And from chapter potential and capacitance, you need to do equipotential surfaces and the following derivations. Kindly note it. And from current and electricity, we have to do Ohm's law, mobility, internal resistance, Kirchhoff law, the definitions of these and the formulas, and all the derivations like relation between current and drift velocity, expression for resistivity, vector form, or we can say microscopic form of Ohm's law, grouping of cells in series and parallel, and this is most important, Wheatstone bridge, and the following diagrams. From moving charges, you need to do the following definition and small concepts, and important derivations are force on a charge conductor, motion of a charge in magnetic field at the center of loop, Ampere circular law. This topic solenoid is deleted, so no need to do this. And force, this is most important one, force between two parallel current carrying conductors. Then torque and moving coil galvanometer. Okay, do it thoroughly because conceptual questions are also based on that. Then magnetism. In magnetism, you need to do the following derivations only: torque on a magnetic dipole, potential energy, and the difference between dia, para, and ferromagnetic material. In EMI, learn all these definitions and the derivations of mutual induction, self-induction, and generator, most important generator. And from AC, you need to do LCR, resonance condition, power, and power factor, and most important, transformer. EM waves, you need to do only this spectrum part and properties of EM waves. And the diagram, this diagram is very much important. So, in ray optics, TIR, its conditions, and the following derivations: refraction from the spherical surfaces, all the cases, lens maker formula, combination of lens, prism formula, microscope and telescope. Wave optics, only Huygens principle chapter you need to do, and interference is totally deleted, you need to learn the formulas only, difference between interference and diffraction, and most important derivations: law of reflection and law of refraction using wave theory. This derivation is again deleted. In dual nature, learn the following terms, do the graphs, learn all the graphs and derivations of wavelength of electron. In atoms, you need to do the derivation of radius of nth orbit of hydrogen atom, energy and spectral series and energy level, and all these figures. And in nuclei, do the concept of mass defect, binding energy, and properties of nuclear force. And the last, semiconductor, band theory, formation of p-n junction, characteristics of p-n junction diode, full wave as well as half wave also, and the following diagram. I hope if you do this, you can achieve more than 60% marks. So do it thoroughly. All the best.